Good morning students. I am Mrs. Archana Sutar, working as a subject teacher in Municipal LK Zarak Vidya Mandir. And today we are going to learn subject Mathematics chapter 4, Angles and Pairs of Angles. And today's topic is the exterior angle of a triangle. Look at this figure. This is triangle ABC. If side BC of triangle ABC is extended, angle ACD is formed outside the triangle. Angle ACD is in linear pair with angle ACB. So, angle ACD is an exterior angle of triangle ABC. Here is angle ACD. Angle ACD and angle ACB are in linear pair. Now, if we extend side AC, we get exterior angle PAB. Here is an exterior angle PAB. When we extend side AB, we get an exterior angle QBC. Here is an angle QBC is also an exterior angle. Let's see the definition of the exterior angle of a triangle. On extending one side of a triangle, the angle obtained which forms a linear pair with the adjacent angle of a triangle is called an exterior angle of that triangle. Students, look at this figure. This is triangle PQR and all exterior angles of this triangle are shown in the figure. Angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D, angle E and angle F are the exterior angles of triangle PQR. So, in the same way, each triangle has 6 exterior angles. In this figure, angle PRS is an exterior angle of triangle PQR. The other interior angle PRQ is adjacent to this angle. Other interior angles, angle P and angle Q, are further away from exterior angle. So they are called remote interior angles. In this figure, major angle P plus major angle Q plus major angle PRQ is equal to 180 degree because the sum of three angles of a triangle is always 180 degree. Next, major angle PRS plus major angle PRQ is equal to 180 degree because angles in a linear pair. Sum of angles in a linear pair is always 180 degree. So, these two left sides are equal because right sides are equal. So, we can write major angle P plus major angle Q plus major angle PRQ is equal to major angle PRS plus major angle PRQ because these two left sides are equal. Now, here major angle PRQ is common. So, let's subtract the major angle PRQ from both the sides. So, we get major P plus major angle Q is equal to major angle PRS. Subtracting major angle PRQ from both the sides. In the figure, we can say that major angle P plus major angle Q is equal to major angle PRS. In this figure, I have measured all these angles. Angle P is equal to 80 degree, angle Q is equal to 50 degree, angle R is equal to 50 degree, and exterior angle PRS is equal to 130 degree. So see, 80 plus 50 is equal to 130, and it is equal to an exterior angle PRS. So the property of an exterior angle of a triangle is the measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the measures of its remote interior angles. Let us solve one example about exterior angle. Here is triangle ABC. In this triangle, major angle A is equal to major angle B. That is, angle A and angle B are of equal measure. If major angle ACD is equal to 140 degree, angle ACD is an exterior angle and its measure is 140 degree. So find the measure of the angle A and angle B. We have to find the measures of angle A and B. So let's solve this example. Suppose major angle A is equal to major angle B is equal to x degree. According to the property of an exterior angle of a triangle, we can say that major angle A plus major angle B is equal to major angle ACD. So we can write that x plus x is equal to 140 degree. Therefore, x plus x is equal to 2x is equal to 140. Therefore, x is equal to 140 upon 2. Therefore, x is equal to 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14, 2 0 0. X is equal to 70 degree. So we can say that major angle A is equal to major angle B is equal to 70 degree. So students, today's homework is solve practice set 21 in your notebook.